Minions! Lots of little minions all around the side of the cake. The purple ones are the bad ones, I believe, with the fuzzy hair. So I've just used fondant and cut out the shapes, added details with more fondant and edible paints, a speech bubble, and then the icing character on top. I believe he's a baddie. He stands very tall. And then the shadow figure of another baddie at the back. Then just some little yellow dots on top to tie it all in. I love this. Just the cake on its own without the figures on top, I think it's so cute. With all the little minions all gathered together. And the topper is just icing. I've got an image and traced around it and then cut it out of icing. Left that to set hard. Attached some wooden skewers to the back and then made the icing figure to go on top as well. A funny little character, isn't he? Mind you, minions are funny little things. So there we are. Minions!